How to buy a home in the USA, step-by-step guide. Are you dreaming of buying a home in the USA but don't know where to start? Whether you're a first-time buyer or just new to the US housing market, this video will walk you through the entire home buying process, step by step. Step 1. Understand your budget. Before anything else, figure out how much you can afford. Consider your income, existing debts, monthly expenses, and how much you can put down as a down payment. A good rule is that your housing cost should not exceed 30% of your monthly income. Step 2. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. This is crucial. A pre-approval letter from a lender shows sellers that you're serious and financially ready. It also helps you understand what price range you can shop in. Step 3. Find a real estate agent. A licensed real estate agent will guide you through the process, help you find homes, schedule viewings, and negotiate offers. Make sure to choose someone with good reviews and experience in your target area. Step 4. Start house hunting. Now the fun part begins. Start visiting homes. Take notes, compare properties, and think long-term. Location, condition, resale value, all matter. Step 5. Make an offer. Once you find the right home, your agent will help you make a competitive offer. You may have to negotiate, so be flexible, but know your limits. Step 6. Home inspection and appraisal. After your offer is accepted, schedule a home inspection. This ensures there are no hidden problems. Your lender will also require an appraisal to confirm the home's value. Step 7. Close the deal. Once everything checks out, it's time to close. This includes signing documents, paying closing costs, and finally, getting the keys to your new home. Extra tips: always read contracts carefully. Ask questions. Your agent and lender are there to help. Don't make large purchases or change jobs during the buying process, and that's how you buy a home in the USA, step by step. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, which state are you planning to buy in? We've got more real estate tips and guides coming up every week. Stay tuned.